Breakfast Club, Lane in here. Kyrie.
Do this shit.
Yeah. What you got going on down here?
In the mad right.
Yeah, get that core tie, okay. Okay. Yeah, you're not even doing the right lip. It's all good though. What to do for the morning crew? Breakfast Club. The Breakfast Club member.
I ain't eating no breakfast today.
You got your morning lifting or your morning swim, so to speak.
And I need some floaties.
Yeah, you need some floaties too. I forgot you short too. This is 4-7. What a guy. Blake Griffin with the bird scooters. Look at this guy. The whole gang got one. Even Reggie Jackson got one. We all got one. Look at this. The donut hole personalized scooter. Ha!